Assalamu alaikum.
Local Maggie.
Local Maggie.
Okay, its name is Ballet.
Ballet.
Yes.
Hold on.
Its name is Prapu.
Wow. Pelaku.
Prapu. Yeah, we mix the
This outdoor kitchen is incredible. They have this whole like oven structure to hold the fire, but they have a couple blazing fires. Another one of the main dishes that we're gonna eat, it's gonna be cooked with that apricot walnut sauce pickle. It looked kind of like a pasta, but like in huge chunks. And then she poured in that walnut paste, that pickle, and then stirred that around. And then they heated up some apricot oil, and then she poured that on top of that, and then stirred that around. They were not joking about 14 dishes. Oh wow! Oh, this one looks incredible too. Gotta start with the bale, which is the soup. And you've got like those dough, like kind of dough noodles in there.
And it's got flour in it, and the main ingredients are walnuts.
We have grinded the walnut. That's a walnut pickle in there, right?
Yes.
This is the one that we saw her prepare, and then it's covered in this walnut paste pickle. Oh, that's incredible. That was a big bite, yeah. So like thick and hearty. The noodles are, well, they're not really noodles. They're like boiled dough kind of. That walnut sauce. Wow.
Try and make it like a spoon.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Like that thing that you have in that fridge and boil?
That's okay.
Yes, as much as you want, you know, and then eat it. That's buckwheat, right?
And then in the middle is a little bowl of apricot oil. Nutty oil with like a thick, like starchy dough. But it's kind of oily. There's apricot oil and then natural sugars. Whoa. Yeah. It's sweet. It's almost tastes like, like a sweet pancake, but like gooey.
Yeah, you can eat on its own. Yeah, and then
is it boiled?
It's just white.
It's just boiled, but it's fresh goat that they butchered here themselves. You just slice off a chunk for yourself. A little drumstick section. Oh yeah, look at that. Would you like a slice? So good.
I love them, yeah.
So natural. That sauce. This is just award-winning. Oh, next dish. Buckwheat. Like a buckwheat type of pancake with that same chutney. That chutney is amazing. Those nuts. Onto the curry course. We've got a mutton curry and then also the chicken korma, all to be eaten with rice. Choking out of my mouth. There's not a lot of dry spices in there. It's more almost like a stew in taste. All right, try the chicken korma. Oh, it's wonderful as well. You really taste the sourness of that yogurt. All of these dishes are home cooked. They've been making some of them all day long. This is incredibly special. This is an unbelievable meal. It's a true representation of Baltistan, the culture, the food, the hospitality. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, and believe it or not, macaroni also happens to be a very popular thing to eat in this region in Baltistan. This is the soup that the fresh goat was boiled in. Shukriya.
Artificial in the beginning.
Yeah, they